Hi, in this video, we will learn how to change decimal and thousand separators in Excel. As you can see, I already have some numbers in my worksheet. Right now, Excel is using a period as the decimal separator and a comma as the thousand separator. But in many countries, this format is different. So let's see how we can change it. First, click on File in the top left corner of Excel. Then scroll down and click on Options. A new window will open. From the left-hand menu, go to Advanced. Now scroll down until you find the section called Editing Options. Here you will see an option called Use System Separators. By default, this option is checked, which means Excel follows your system's regional settings. Uncheck Use System Separators. Now you can manually change the separators. In the decimal separator box, replace the period with a comma, and in the thousands separator box, replace the comma with a period. Once you're done, click OK. You'll notice that all the numbers in your sheet are instantly updated with the new decimal and thousand separators. This setting is very useful when working with international data or when your formatting needs to match local standards. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.